Hi, I'm Michael Clay, one of the technical sales reps at Lincoln Electric. Today we're going to be looking at how to modify a welding start position using the Cooper app. So what we'll be looking at is when we already have a linear weld programmed, if something is changed on our part or we've realized we need to move our starting point, we can go into the program after the fact and modify that point. So once the robot has done its dry run and gets back to a position, we can do this by simply pushing the edit key on the screen, clicking on the start of the weld, telling the cobot to go to the initial start position, and watch the cobot will move to where we initially programmed it. And for this case, we'll say that the start position has moved over just slightly. So if we move the cobot over to a new position and push the button to tell the cobot to modify the position, the screen will now show that the cobot is at that position and we can move the cobot safely out of the way. Click Done on the screen and our program will be modified. When we do our dry run now, the welding start point will have moved into our new position and the welding end stays where it was. For more information on the Cooper app, please visit our website at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks for watching.